to the product proposal for Soul, a game by Team SATAS for software design and development, spring 2017.
All right, it's time to meet the team. We have Team SATAS. We'll start off with our Scrum Master, Samuel Sopp. We have our Sound Effects Coordinator, Cameron Droke. We have our Product Owner, Ayodeji Adebayo. We have Anthony LaBelle. He's going to be the user interface guy. And we have Tyrell Tachibana and Sean Kelly, the coding gods, who are kind of just going to help out with everything and the whole project, carry the whole team on their backs. As far as the user interface goes, I figured I would do a couple menus. We'll have an original game menu. We'll have a pause menu in the game, something like this right here. And as far as windows, health bars, just different kinds of power-ups and things in the game, we'll have items similar to what's pictured over here on the right side.
In this game, the player will travel across the solar system using their ship on an overviewing map. When the player travels to these different planets, they will experience new adventures and defeat exciting enemies to save the universe and the Princess of Earth. Sound is very important in any game. That is why, throughout this experience, it will be my job to guide the player with the atmosphere of the game through sounds such as background music and sound effects to give the player feedback of the environment and their corresponding actions.
This is a list of product features for Soul. I'm Samuel Sopp, I'm the Scrum Master, and I'm also going to be responsible for building levels, and then also primarily responsible for the player weaponry, to include the primary weapon and then all of the secondary weaponry. First, you get to play as a space pirate. Earth has been taken over, and its last hope is your character, a space pirate. Begin on Earth and then cross the solar system to take the fight to the enemy. 5 levels will be in the game, and they'll have different themes and enemies. There will be an upgradable primary weapon that will progress in power as the game progresses. There will be upgradable armor that increases fun by adding mobility and giving the players a sense of power progression. And then also powerful secondary weapons that can alter the tide of battle. And then your enemies you'll be fighting against are the forces of the Sun King. So each level is full of enemy forces that must be destroyed to have any hope of victory. And each world has various enemy types, both small and large. Each world's enemies have a leader that must be defeated to continue, and this is a boss enemy. And these bosses will be difficult, but will drop powerful upgrades. And then at the end of the game, you will defeat the Sun King himself to rescue Earth's princess and free the solar system.
As both a product owner and a member of the dev team, I am in a unique position that makes it possible for me to focus on UX design. Our product is going to be a game, and an important part to a game is the experience the user gets while playing the game. As a UX designer, I will be able to shape that experience through level design, and in doing so, I will be able to provide the user with a greater level of immersion into our game's world. This way, the user wants to play our game and not just kill time with it.
Hello, this is Sean Kelly. For this project, I will be a jack of all trades, helping my teammates out wherever I'm needed. Our team has decided to use GitHub for source control. One of my responsibilities so far has been to create the GitHub project and make sure that everyone in my team is added as contributors.
Hello, this is Tyrell Tachibana, and for this project, I'll be more of a jack of all trades, filling in wherever my teammates need help. And today I'll be going over the working agreement. We will be using a Scrum methodology, and we will be meeting twice a week on Mondays and Thursdays at 9 p.m. And for our technologies and languages, we will be using NetBeans as our IDE, Java as our coding language. We will be using GitHub as our repository system, and we will be using Google Drive to store all of the files that are not related to code. And we will be using Graphic River to supply all of our graphics, and we'll be using Lucidchart to help us build UML diagrams.